This animal can escape almost anything, even a lockjaw. Meet the octopus, the ocean's ultimate mastermind. It has 3 hearts pumping blue blood through its body, and a brain so advanced it can solve puzzles, open containers, and remember solutions. Each of its 8 arms can think almost on its own, like having 8 mini brains working together. But that's not even the craziest part. An octopus can instantly change color, pattern, and even texture. Smooth 1 second, spiky like coral the next, rock, coral, sand. It becomes whatever it touches. And when danger strikes, it releases a thick cloud of ink, creating a smoke screen underwater. And before you even realize what happened, it's gone.